Birds inside your facility aren't just a nuisance, they're a threat to cleanliness, safety, and productivity. Meet the Indoor Laser Bird Repellent, engineered with Class 3R red and green lasers to keep birds out of your facility safely and effectively. With coverage up to 2,500 square feet, it's ideal for warehouses, factories, airplane hangars, and other large indoor spaces. Multiple light patterns and pre-programmed on and off cycles prevent birds from getting used to the laser. Durable cast aluminum construction ensures long-lasting performance. A wireless remote and lockout key provide convenient control and secure operation, along with a manual shutter for added safety. Keep your indoor spaces bird-free with the Indoor Laser Bird Repellent from BirdX. Visit our website or contact us today for more information.